Hi guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And please, if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget by hitting the red subscribe button down below. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So guys, in today's video I'll be giving you guys a recipe on how to make super duper effective stretch mark oil. So now this stretch mark oil is something you can use on both old and new stretch mark, and this stretch mark oil is super duper effective. Okay, whether a stretch mark is old, if it's new, if you are pregnant, and if you have been trying a lot of different products on your stretch mark and none are working for you, I guess you should try out this recipe, and it's something that you will definitely love. It will work for you, okay? And I promise you guys, within 1 month you will start seeing a very visible result, okay? And I will also be telling you guys what you guys will also use, what you guys will apply, and how to use this product, things that you can also use to fasten the healing, okay? Just keep on watching this video. Try your best to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss out, okay? And also, before we start, I want to quickly let you guys know, for those of you that don't know about my oil training, I want you guys to know that we just have 2 days left. We are starting on the 27th of this month, okay? So this particular training is based on different type of oil. I'll be teaching you guys 12 different type of oil. If you want to learn more about how to make products like this, you want to learn how to make repair oil, stretch mark oil, you know, whitening glow body oil, Fisher glow oil, shimmery glow oil, kiss body oil, you know, a lot more. If you are interested, please do not forget to send me a DM. I'll be leaving my number on the screen, and we are starting on the 27th of this month, okay? This particular training is something you should not take for granted, okay? And the fee is just 30,000 naira, okay? You will definitely benefit from this. And this particular training is something that you can learn, you can sell, you can use it on your skin. And with all of the things I'll be teaching you guys concerning oil, there are so many things you guys don't know about how to make whitening oil and glow body oil, okay? There are so many things that you guys really need to know. You want to make your oil super effective, you want to start selling oil, you want to start using oil on your skin without using body lotion. I must tell you, this is a training that you shouldn't take for granted, because after this particular training, I don't know when I'll be doing oil training. That's why I kept on, you know, advertising this, because I don't want people to start sending me DMs after the training has begun or after the training is over, okay? That's why I kept on, you know, telling you guys. For those of you that haven't heard, I'm saying it now, okay? So guys, let's quickly dive right into this video. I want you guys to know that this recipe is a full recipe, and also I don't want you guys to ask me any question regarding what oil will I use to replace this, which oil will I use to replace this. No, the recipe I'm giving to you guys is something that have worked for me, it has worked for a lot of people, and it's also something that you should not, you know, exclude any ingredient. Use it the way I'm giving it to you guys. Buy all of the ingredients, and I want you guys to know that this recipe is not cheap, okay? So now the first ingredient you'll be needing is python oil. So python oil is very good for scars, it's good for stretch mark, it's good in repairing the skin. If you have scars on your skin, if you have stretch mark, this particular oil will help. And I will advise you get the original one. Please do not buy the fake one. If you buy fake, this product will not work for you. So you need a very good stretch mark python fat or python oil, okay? I'll advise you get the oil, because the oil is more easier. If you buy the fat, it's a little bit hard to extract. You understand what I'm saying? So get the python oil, 200 ml. You'll be needing the mark oil. So the mark oil is very good when it comes to stretch mark as well. It's a very strong mark eraser oil. It's very good for scar, it's good for discoloration, and it's good for stretch mark. So you'll be needing 100 ml of the mark oil. Then the next oil you'll be needing is Vit Gold stretch mark oil. So this particular oil is something you can use directly on your skin. It's something you can use for your belly if you are pregnant. You can use it on old stretch mark. You can use it to prevent stretch mark. You can use it to promise your body lotion against stretch mark. So this oil is very very good, and it has a very nice smell. Okay, you will be needing 100 ml, okay, of Vit Gold stretch mark oil. Then the next oil you'll be needing is repair tissue oil. So for those of you that don't know much about repair tissue oil, I will advise you do more research about this particular oil. This oil is something that a lot of skincare formulators usually add into their whitening cream or half-cast lotion or what's not, okay, because you know all of this whitening kind of lotion might tends to give you stretch marks. So in order for you to prevent your lotion from giving you stretch mark, people adding or you adding or we adding repair tissue oil. Okay, so this particular oil is very very good. And then the next oil you'll be needing is bio oil. So bio oil is specially formulated for stretch mark and also for pregnant women, okay, to prevent stretch mark. So this oil is good for stretch mark, it glows the skin, it will blend the area where you have stretch mark, and it will, you know, give it a very beautiful and smooth, you know, skin. Next oil you'll be needing is stretch mark Shalom oil. You'll be needing 100 ml for this particular oil. So now Shalom stretch mark oil is a very powerful oil that is good for stretch mark, it's good for old stretch mark, it's good for new stretch mark, it's good for red stretch mark, it's good for stretch mark. This particular oil is very very good. Okay, you'll be needing 100 ml. The next oil you'll be needing is lavender essence. In this you'll be needing 100 ml. So now this lavender essence is a very good oil that is specially formulated for scars and stretch mark. Okay, so I would like you guys to, you know, google this particular oil so you will know the oil I'm talking about. Okay, so this oil is very very good for stretch mark, okay, and it's good for scars as well. And then you will be needing bitter almond oil. So now you'll be needing this in 100 ml. So this is going to help, you know, moisturize the area where you have stretch mark, and it's going to help, you know, get rid of your stretch mark. And then you will be needing bakuchili oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. What I'll do, I'll just type the name on the screen so that you guys will know what I'm talking about. You'll be needing 100 ml. This oil is good for stretch mark, very very strong, very very good for stretch mark and scars. And then you'll be needing pomegranate oil, 150 ml. So this oil is also good for stretch mark, it moisturizes the skin very well, and it helps to, you know, blend the skin, and it helps with elasticity. And then you'll be needing Sheni Perfect Leg Stage 2. So for those of you that don't know much about Sheni Perfect Leg Stage 2, this particular oil helps with green vein, it helps with stretch mark, it helps with discoloration, it helps with dark spot, it helps with a lot of things. Okay, this oil is very very good for stretch mark, and is good for repairing the skin. You'll be needing 150 ml. Then you'll be needing Belle Eclat. Now Belle Eclat is a very strong oil that is very very powerful when it comes to green vein, and it also helps with stretch mark as well. You'll be needing 50 ml. You'll be needing frankincense essential oil. You'll be needing 5 ml. You'll be needing stretch mark ampoules. So now this stretch mark ampoules is not really that cheap. I think it's 700 naira per one. You'll be needing 10 of this. Okay, so this stretch mark ampoules is super effective when it comes to stretch mark. It's good for scars, and it's good for skin elasticity. Then the last oil you'll be needing is vitamin E oil. So now vitamin E oil is an antioxidant which helps to repair our skin. It helps to prevent our skin against stretch mark. You know, it helps to repair our skin. It's very 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 good when it comes to stretch mark and repairing the skin. You'll be needing 50 ml of vitamin E oil. Now, how do you make this oil? All you need to do is to get a very clean bone, sterilize your bone or whatever equipment you'll be making use of, sterilize it and clean it very well, and then add all of this oil into a bowl in no particular order, and you mix very well. I want you guys to know that this oil, there are some that are very very thick and some that are very very light. Okay, so all you need to do is to stir. Impossible, use your stick blender to stick blend, mix it very very well. And when you are done mixing, after bottling it, whenever you want to apply it on the area where you have stretch mark, you still need to shake the bottle very very well before you apply it on the area where you have stretch mark. And now another thing that you can also do to get rid of your stretch mark very very fast is exfoliating. Okay, Get a very good coffee and sugar scrub to exfoliate the area where you have stretch mark. Do not use anyhow scrub. Don't just buy any scrub and start using on that particular area. You need a treatment scrub. So if you don't know how to make sugar and coffee scrub, check out my channel. I think I have about 4 videos on how to make cellulite scrub, stretch mark scrub, and a lot more. Just check out the video, and then you can also learn from that. Make your coffee and sugar scrub. Use it to exfoliate the area where you have stretch mark 3 times a week. Add in a proper amount of this oil into your palm. Rub it on the area where you have stretch mark in circular motion. Make sure you rub it very well morning and night. Impossible, if you can use it 3 times a day, to be very, very good. Okay, so I bet you after 1 month you will definitely see a very visible difference. Okay, you will see a very good difference. And another thing that you can also do, so now if you are not good in formulating skincare products, or if you are not a pro, do not do this. Okay, retinol powder, retinol active, is another key ingredient for stretch mark. Okay, it helps with anti-aging, it helps with elasticity, and it helps with damaged skin. Okay, retinol is very, very good when it comes to stretch marks. So if you know how to use retinol, you can add in 0.5 of retinol into this recipe. Just do more research about retinol, know how to use the active ingredient. Please, if you don't know how to use retinol, do not use. I'm just saying this because of how powerful retinol is. It's a very great ingredient for stretch mark. It's good for anti-aging, it's good for wrinkles, and it helps to repair the skin basically. So if you don't know how to use retinol, please just up it out, skip it. Don't even bother of thinking about it, because it's a very powerful ingredient. And in order for you to do this, you have to know how to use retinol in fact, you have to know how to make use of active powder in the right percentage. Okay, please, if you don't know how to use it, don't use. If you know how to use it, you can use it to get more benefit as well. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.